In the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, you are most welcome in our online academy, the ESL Academy of Linguistics and Literature. Dear students, you are having problem to install Zoom. Today I would like to guide you about Zoom, how to use Zoom, how to install, and how to screen share and something like that. I want to tell you each and everything, so stay connected. You will open your app store, and in your app store, just that app store is just available on your Play Store. So you will open your Play Store, and after opening it, you will write over here Zoom Cloud. Zoom, you write Zoom over here. So here is written Zoom Cloud Meeting. So you will just click on it, and after clicking it, because I have already installed it, I just need to update it. So it is demanding that I should update it because I've already installed it. So as it get installed, and after, you have to follow procedure how to create ID in it. You have to create ID. Let's suppose I have installed it. I've installed, and after, what I need to do, I just need to create ID. इसको इंस्टॉल करने के बाद आप इसकी एक आईडी जो है वो क्रिएट करेंगे. उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, जस्ट लुक ओवर हियर. सो हियर इज द Zoom. So open Zoom. I'm just opening my Zoom because it's getting update, and I think that it has updated. So once it's updated, you can install its ID. So let me see. This is a Zoom. So what you'll do, you need to create ID. If you've got ID, you can start simply, but if you don't have ID, what you need to do, you have to create your ID. You will create your ID. So the procedure to create your ID, you have to just follow the process, like you create your email ID. It's something like that. So after creating ID, what you need to do, you have to create join new meeting. If you are going to create new meeting, you will click over here new meeting, and after new meeting, it will open like that. So it means that you have created your meeting. So how to invite your friend and students? So just click on the participant, and after that, invite your friends. You will just copy, and after copying, you will send to the friends whom you want to join. So just you can inbox this link, or he or she will join very easily. After this, you need to share some screen. You want to share screen. So how you are going to share screen? Let's suppose I want to share my screen. So this screen will be shared with my students. The people, they are in your meeting, they are seeing this screen now. If you want to cancel this screen, so just click on stop sharing. After that, if you want to share like that, you want to share some photos, something like that. You want to share some you got some informations, like you have this information. You want to share this message, try this perspective shift or something like that. You can share. If you want to highlight it like that, you want to use pen like that, you can use even highlighter. You can highlight certain. If you want to clear, you can clear. If you want to erase, you can erase. If you want to go back, just click on this one and open this and stop sharing. So here are a lot of options are available. You can use it, and after that, there is option. If you want to use like a whiteboard over here, you want to share whiteboard, and there is a possibility to share whiteboard as well. Share whiteboard. So this whiteboard will start functioning. You can write like ESL Academy. So first of all, if you want to erase, so just clear first step, install. So if you think that it's not working, nah, it's creating problems, so just off it. And after this, clear it. You say, first of all, you need to install. After that, you create ID. After this, create meeting, share link. Okay, so these steps you have to follow if you want to use it. If you need further help, you can still call me. The thing is that go to your app store, and after that install this Zoom. And after installing it, the person who is hosting meeting, he can send you a link, and just clicking on this link you can be added in the meeting room. And after that you can enjoy sharing, and everything it can be shared with teacher and students and host and the person they are joining. So there will be a lot of functions. There are a lot of functions teacher can teach, a student can receive, and there are a lot of information as well. There are a lot of facilities a teacher can avail, and after that teach his student. Stay blessed and have a nice time. I hope you have got message about Zoom.